Now let's explore the development of social status. According to the expectation states theory, social status is allocated to members who are perceived to be competent and likely to succeed. It also says our judgments of a member's competence and potential are based on two types of cues. First, specific status characteristics are the unique qualities we consider when judging someone's competence, like their knowledge, skills, abilities, and their relative competence among other group members. Second, diffuse status characteristics include the broad qualities we associate with power and status, such as age, gender, race, and occupation. Members who are perceived to possess both of these characteristics tend to have more power and social status within their groups. So, the process of achieving social status is not always fair. The most ethical individuals do not always end up in the highest rungs of a group structure. And the most unethical individuals sometimes use their status to destroy other people's lives. In addition, high social status can be generalized across situations, meaning powerful people often enjoy relatively high status in their other groups, a phenomenon known as status generalization. This tendency explains why some members are overlooked in the status allocation process. The group fails to recognize them because they don't fit the broad qualities that are usually associated with high social status. Another variable that plays a role in the development of social status is orientation towards social dominance. People who have a social dominance orientation tend to behave in ways that maintain the group's hierarchy. This works at the group level too. Groups whose members report high levels of social dominance are more likely to maintain status inequalities than groups whose members report low levels of social dominance. Unfortunately, solo members are rarely awarded high social status. A solo member is the only group member who represents a specific social group in a relatively homogeneous group. For instance, the only non-traditional student in a group of traditional students. However, they can increase their status by fully participating in the group, being supportive of other members, and asking good questions.